All right guys, this is Ryan Smith at BNR Motorsports. Today we're going to show you how to install our Vortex ECU that's been tuned by us here at BNR Motorsports. If you ordered it from our website, called in and order it. Going to show you how to install it with our bracket, the way we do it, the way we've been doing it for years. The ECU is going to come in a box. You're going to have this rubber cover, your Vortex ECU, and your bracket. This is the bracket that we provide. So it's going to come preset, low, mid, high, and your map. X10 is your map. This is set by us. You're given your specifications, we've set them all. Our maps are all custom from 1 through 9. Different fuel, different timing, different setups. These are fuel trims. Everything's going to be set up for a good starting point for you. You want to set your TPS sensor 0.689 volts. That is what we set our Vortex maps up, is 0.689. Now, if you're watching this video and you've bought an ECU from somebody else, not us, you need to ask them what that TPS is. Some of them might not know because they're not custom tuning them. That's why we recommend you buy these from us or a performance shop that's going to know what they're doing with these. So your rubber boot goes on your ECU, just like this. You want to make sure that it's all the way down there and seated on the edges. Once you have that on there, what I like to do is go ahead and put my bracket on first. I'm going to take your bracket and it goes up like this. I'm going to show you how this mounts into here in a second. So we have here a brand new 2020 Live ZR. You're going to remove your seat. You're going to drop your taillight covers, 2 10mm bolts. Real simple to do. Just take those out. There's a couple push pins that are in that taillight cover. Just drop it down. Now, you're going to take your 10mm, you're going to go back up in here, and you're going to pull this stock ECU bracket out, 2 10mm. Careful the bushings don't drop. And then you're going to go ahead and remove the 2 10mm that hold your stock ECU on. Once you do that, you'll be able to draw the stock ECU out. Click that, and go ahead and just remove the stock ECU. You're not going to use the stock ECU. Keep it for when you sell it, throw on eBay, whatever you want to do. Now, this is for a stock harness. If you have a cut harness, it's kind of the same thing, but you're not going to have your relays, etc. So you're going to take your bracket, and you can see your bracket will fit right here. What you want to do is you want to slide this in so the bracket's held in like this. Now the way to do this, get a pair of channel locks or something where you can spread this open a little bit. Takes a little bit of tweaking, not too much, just enough to kind of open it up and allow you to